Hello, let me introduce the upgraded laser cutting machine from Unikonex that we will be exhibiting at APPPEXPO Exhibition 2024 in Shanghai. This Vision laser cutting machine features an extra long working table for fast and accurate cutting for a wide variety of sublimated materials. With a machine width of 1.8 meters, we increase the depth of this machine to 2.5 meters. In the case of sublimated sportswear cutting, the 1.8 by 2.5 working table can place 6 pieces of sublimation printed jersey at the same time. The daily cutting output can reach more than 1,500 sets. In addition to cutting sublimation printed sportswear, this machine can also cut sublimation flag and flag banner. Attention please. At this time, 2 of my colleagues were standing on the machine platform, packing the machine. From this, we can see that Unikonex laser cutting machine is very stable and strong. And you know that a solid laser cutting machine ensures high speed and smooth laser cutting. The APPPEXPO 2024 will be held from 28th February to 2nd March at the Shanghai National Convention and Exhibition Center. Welcome to Unikonex booth. We are waiting for you. Thank you.